many years have I been going to Sitka, Alaska? I think this trip this year will be, it's either number 15 or 16. It hasn't been consecutive years, obviously, but I think this is trip number 15 or 16. So, I just enjoy the beauty of Alaska, the wildlife that you see. I don't think I've ever had a bad day of fishing in Alaska. You know, the worst day fishing up there is better than anything that I think I've ever experienced down here. Except for maybe one time with my dad at Lake Hodges, but Alaska is just beautiful. You know, the scenery, the fishing is fantastic, and the wildlife. I think that's what keeps me going back. What else is there to do in Alaska? The only thing I really care to do is fish, eat, and relax. So I never really spent a lot of time looking for anything else to do, but there are a few things to see, some things in town, and there's some wildlife sanctuaries up there. But mostly Alaska is just a chance to sit and relax and look out over the ocean. How many more times do I think I can make it up to Alaska? Well, if I had my way, I would do it. I'd go every year. I would love to be up there every year. But I've approached this trip this year, just like I did the last one, that it could be my last one. Not that I'm planning on going anywhere, but you just never know. You can't plan that far in advance, and hopefully the good Lord would allow me to go again. But you know, I would love to go every year, but it's one day at a time. So. the best fishing day ever? I don't know if I could really, well, especially at a long dissertation. I've had a lot of great fishing trips and a lot of great fishing times, and what makes a fishing trip great means different things to different people. I've had fishing trips with my children, with my daughters, whether we caught fish or not, were fantastic days out on the water, or sitting in a wagon and fishing with my kids. Make me cry. Those were great fishing days. Fishing in Alaska was great. Fishing with my dad was great. I can remember fishing with my dad down at Lake Hodges and catching just tons of fish nonstop. In Canada with my dad fishing, he was so tired from catching northern pike, he put his fishing pole down the boat and told the guide he was done fishing. And I remember telling him, no, we came all the way to Canada and you're going to keep fishing. So fishing is not always about catching fish. It's about memories. It's about spending time with the people you love. And I'll shut up now because I can't cry.